of the Discovery District are to increase economic development and increase workers and residents in the Discovery District, and we believe that our app, Columbus Eats, is able to accomplish that. So the premise of our app is that it's a photo sharing app. Say you're going down to Roosevelt Coffee House and they bring out your food and it's absolutely photogenic. You just want to take a picture of that and post it. If you were to post it, say, to Instagram or Snapchat, yeah, you can get likes from your friends, but our app, we believe, can go further than that in promoting the Discovery District. So with our app, each like is associated with a certain amount of points for the user, and the users in turn accumulate these points.
So because we're creating a highly unique and custom service, we had to go out and create our own type of backend, REST API server. So when a user goes ahead and requests an image, they need to pull it down from the server, and we had to figure out a way to do this that was scalable. So on it, we use a REST API server that uses JSON, and the JSON text is returned to the app and is able to interpret it and create a string from it. So we have to make our own objects for that, and we also have to use the photo downloading. We didn't actually put inside the request, which is in the JSON text you'll see you encode in base 64. We instead have it downloaded and cached to the user's browser, so it's a lot faster.
So for designing the front end of our app, we use Android Studio, which is the industry standard for developing Android apps. And we use the XML for designing the layout of like the basic app activities. And then for the basic logic behind each app, like for when you press a button, we use Java to contact the server, send HTTP get and post requests, and then get back the JSON data.
So in addition to our app, we decided we'd want to have a way to promote this. So we also created and posted our own website. We'll tell you the URL later. Don't all go on it at the same time. This server's not that resilient. And so we created our own website in HTML and CSS, and it's built using brackets. And on this website, we've got a lot more information about how our server is running and how our app process was created and how we came up with the idea. And all of that can be accessed through our website, which also contains download links for the source code for both the client and the server side. And so we're also going to give a live demo of our app. So when you bring up the app, you can see a login page where you can enter in a username and password and either register. The server will then check that if you're registering for a new username against the database of existing usernames, so you can't have a duplicate there. It won't let you register. And then if you already have if you have a unique username and you have your password that you've already created, you can then go ahead and sign in. And so then that'll then bring up your feed where you can see recent posts from all other users that are tagged with the location as well as just a short caption and an image of where they are. And you can go